Welcome to learnabley. In these quick videos I'll show you step by step how to create professional videos that will help grow your business.
Hi, it's Dr. Anthony here, and I'd like to welcome you to Vidnami. In these quick videos, I'll show you step by step how to create professional videos that will help grow your business. Specifically, we'll be looking at how to quickly convert blog posts or articles into videos, how to create influencer videos to build your online audience, how to create attention-grabbing ads for social media, how to create high-converting video sales letters, and how to make online course and training videos. After watching these videos, you'll know everything you need to produce professional videos for your business. And if you're a consultant or you run a digital agency, you'll also learn the skills you need to produce professional videos for your clients. In this first video, I'll show you around Vidnami, and we'll look at how to quickly convert a blog post or article into a video. Here I am on my Vidnami dashboard. This is where you'll see all the videos you've made. You can organize your videos into different folders and also choose to list your videos alphabetically or by date created. To create a new video, I'll just come up here and click this button. As you can see over here, we've broken the process of creating videos into 6 simple steps. Step 1 is to choose a template. There are 6 different categories to choose from. You can create content videos, influencer videos, instant ads, sales videos, online course or training videos, and property videos. For this example, I'm going to choose the content video category. I can choose to view all formats, landscape or square templates. And now I'll choose a template I like. Let's go with this green one. I then enter a name for my video, and here is where I copy and paste my blog post. I then come down here and click the Create Scenes button. Vidnami will then break up your script into different scenes and use artificial intelligence to automatically select video clips for each scene. This means instead of starting with a blank canvas, you can simply review and tweak your scenes. Let's take a look at the types of changes you can make. To find a new clip for a scene, you can choose one of the suggestions here. Or you can type in a word to search our library of over 790,000 clips from storyblocks.com. To change the layout of your text, just come over to the layout icon and choose where you want your text to be. You can also use these options to bold and italicize your text like this. Once you've finished reviewing and tweaking your scene, click this button to move to the next stage. As you can see, we're now on the voice screen, where you have 4 options for adding a voice track to your video. You can create a music-only video, use auto voice to automatically convert your text to speech, record your own voice in the app, or upload a pre-recorded voice track. For this video, I hired someone from Fiverr.com to record my voice track. I simply sent them the script, and within a few hours, they sent me back a professionally recorded MP3. So I'll choose the upload option, find the MP3 track on my computer, and upload it to Vidnami. Once it's uploaded, I then click this button to watch a preview of my video. On the preview screen, I can search for a music track by mood and/or genre. For example, let's search for a happy music track, and let's try this one. Now, one other thing I'd like to show you is how to add a watermark. This is a great way to brand and protect your videos, and it also makes them look professional. So all I have to do is click the watermark icon, and to create a new watermark, I'll click this button. I'll then give my watermark a name, and then find a watermark image on my computer. These are often white versions of your logo that most graphic designers can whip up in minutes. I can then adjust the scale of my watermark, change the opacity, and then drag it anywhere I like. Most professional media companies place their watermarks in the top left or top right of the screen. That looks good, so now I'll click this button to save my watermark. I can then watch my preview and when I'm happy, click Looks Good Continue and then hit Generate. When the system has finished rendering my video, I'll download it to my computer. So let's now take a look at our finished video.
With summer break just around the corner, here's our 5 top tips for traveling on a budget. Tip number 1. Book flights online using a VPN. Prices often vary depending on where you are booking from. You can use a simple VPN to make it look like you're booking from a different country and save a bundle on flights. Tip number 2.
So there you have it. You now know how quick and easy it is to convert a blog post into a professional video for social media. In the next video, we'll take a look at how to create influencer videos to build your online audience.
Don't forget to like the video. And don't forget to subscribe.
Content Samurai is an intelligent web-based video creation system that allows you to produce high-quality content videos, video sales letters, and even viral videos in minutes, completely from scratch and all without you ever having to leave your web browser. Videos like this that are capable of generating millions of views, killer search engine rankings, and torrents of online traffic. Let me show you how it works. If you've ever wanted to create videos before, but didn't know how or where to begin, you're going to love this. Here I am on the home screen. To get started, I'll just click the Create a New Video button. And now here's where the real fun begins. You see, we've broken everything down into 5 super simple steps. The first step is to paste in your video title and your video script. The great news is this script can be just about anything: an article, a blog post, an advertisement, or even a sales letter. For this example, I'll show you how to make a video using a blog post. So I'll just copy and paste the blog post title from my word processor, and then the post itself. The second step is to create the visual component of your video, and this is where the real magic happens. You see, Content Samurai has already created your visuals. Using advanced textual analysis, Content Samurai reviews.
Don't forget to like the video. And don't forget to subscribe.
Your article, cut it up into small sections to fit on individual slides, and formatted the text. And Content Samurai did all this with the single click of a button. All that's left for you to do is review your presentation and make any final adjustments. If you want to change the look and feel of your video, you can select from one of the gorgeous themes we've already designed for you. Want to add some images? No problem. You can come over here to the images section and browse through a massive collection of over 112 million images. And then select the one you like to add it to your slide. Over here you can highlight keywords, insert a break to split the text across 2 slides, or hide the text entirely to reveal a full screen image. And if you have something specific in mind, you can easily add your own images over here simply by dragging and dropping them into the My Images panel. And if you want to change a slide's layout, just come over here and choose from one of the preset options. No messing around with complicated and expensive software like Adobe Photoshop, Premiere, Soundbooth, Final Cut Pro, or even Keynote or PowerPoint. And when you've finished reviewing your presentation, which should only take a few minutes, it's time to move on to step 3, which is to record your audio. And once again, Content Samurai makes this a cinch. Here you'll see Content Samurai has automatically broken your video script into short sentences, allowing you to record the whole thing in little bite-sized chunks. Just hit the record button on the sentence which is currently in focus, and then read the text out loud. Did you know that the average adult spends more than 3 years of their life in the kitchen? Then when you're done, you can stop recording and listen back to it by hitting the play button. When you're happy with it, just click the next button to record the next sentence. But here's the really cool part. You see, to help you fly through this step in record speed, we've carefully designed the entire recording process to work with the click of a single button. Just hit the record button to start recording, then again to stop, and then again to move on to the next sentence. By recording your audio this way, Content Samurai removes all the friction and makes the whole exercise an absolute joy. You can then simply repeat this process with each sentence until you reach the end, and you'll be all done in a few minutes. And when you're finished, Content Samurai seamlessly glues your sentences together into a single, clean and coherent audio track. And it's all handled in your web browser, which means you'll never have to mess around with complicated audio editing software that's full of features you'll never need and is downright confusing to use. Recording a professional sounding audio track has never been so fast and so easy before. You can also add music to your video with the click of a button. All Hollywood movies, TV shows and advertisements include music because it's the most effective way to ramp up the emotional impact of a video with so little effort. And Content Samurai makes adding music to your video push button easy. Simply select one of the many free audio tracks included in the system and you're done. And after you've finished with your audio, which should only take a few minutes, you can then come over here to click the preview button to watch your finished video. That's it. That's all there is to it. No editing to do and no complicated codecs, aspect ratios or file formats to fiddle with. Content Samurai has analysed your audio tracks and your presentation using advanced text and speech algorithms and synced them all perfectly together. Your video is done. You can simply press the play button to preview the finished video. Did you know that the average adult spends more than 3 years of their life in the kitchen? With so much time spent in this culinary workshop, you'd expect it to function like a well-oiled machine. However, with most kitchens being so poorly optimized, the reality for most people is that preparing a meal can feel more like a tiresome game of Tetris as you juggle pots and pans, appliances, and groceries that ooze from every cupboard. So in this video, we'll show you 5 incredibly simple kitchen hacks you can apply in your house to better use the space you have. And if you ever want to fine-tune your video, you can do that too, because we've also added the ability to adjust the timing of your slides and audio to your liking. Simply click the manually adjust timing button, move the scrubber to a specific point in your video, and drag the handle to adjust where each slide starts and ends. As you can see, Content Samurai does all the hard work for you. In just a few minutes, and with only a few clicks, you can now create engaging content videos, video sales letters, and viral videos with absolutely zero prior video experience. The speed and ease with which you can create amazing videos in Content Samurai is simply unheard of, and we believe it's going to change the face of digital marketing forever. All that's left for you to do now is to download your video, which is as simple as clicking the Generate button, and then download. Your video is now ready to upload to YouTube, Facebook, your website, and any other content site you want, where it can start generating free online traffic to your business.